All right, good morning. Tuesday, spring is upon us. It's a beautiful day. Time to get going. Markets trading a little bit higher in the overnight session. Hit records again yesterday. Seeing some strong earnings out of some of these bellwether companies. More earnings today. Microsoft reporting, Alphabet reporting. Tesla beat last night. However, shares are down 3% in the pre-market. So another big day on the earnings front. We've got the central bank meeting, FOMC. It's kicking off its two-day meeting today. They'll come out tomorrow with Fed Chairman Powell and any type of decisions that are made in that meeting. Nothing expected, but curious to see what the conversation is around rising interest rates and how the economy is doing on the what we hope to be the back end of this pandemic. So we shall see there. FX though, really quiet until we get this meeting out of the way. So I would expect it to be rather quiet for the next, let's call it day and a half. Bank of Japan met overnight. No change to their policy. We're seeing that dollar yen just above 108. Seeing oil press up against $63 a barrel. So moving higher. All right, so a lot going on. Again, very big week. Let's get in there. Let's get after it. We've got that Nadex educational event coming up next Tuesday. Make sure you get signed up. Don't miss your opportunity. Big day next Tuesday, free educational event. Learn how to trade gold and oil. It's going to be a very commodity, precious metal focused event. All right, folks, I'll check in with you again tomorrow. Let's have a good one. Bye-bye.